Welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. So let's get to kit building. Just take the wheels as usual and clip away this sprues. So I'm going to fast forward this process because it's straightforward. Alright, so once those wheels are done, just go back and let's get clipping away these pieces. So here's this cylinder piece that we put under the turret. Then here's this piece, and that piece. Now for this turret, you can see how I'm clipping away like that. Clip away carefully underneath that. And then clip away carefully like that. There you go. And now clip away the support plastic from underneath this gun, just like this, as I'm doing. Okay, there's that. Now clip away and clean off that little sprue piece there. And that piece there. Clip away this sprue piece. That. And that. Lots of little clipping away to do. And then clip away that. Some little pieces for this kit, but it's not so bad. There's that bumper. Now clip here and here. This is the two big pieces of the kit, and of course clip here, and then I'm going to grab with these clippers this support plastic and just dig it out of there. Clip like that. That, that. All right, very good. So we clipped out that stuff. Now, I'm gonna go get an X-Acto knife to get the rest of that out of there. Now I want you to be careful with the X-Acto knife, but you can get the idea of what I'm trying to do here. Get that plastic that's stuck in there out. Can use the clippers for this too, probably. This is probably the more clean to get it all out of there. Now, since I cut that away, I think I can grab the rest of this with those clippers. So you can see that worked pretty well. So I'm going to do that for the other side, but I'm going to go ahead and fast forward that process for the other side because you saw one side and that's good enough. Alright, so I think we're finally done the clipping and cutting away of this model, so now why don't we go ahead and start to glue it together. So let's get some glue there, and for this let's use the table to help us guide the pieces in. Make sure it glued in the correct way. That's great. The next thing to do is get some glue for this cylinder piece that goes under the turret. Just like that. Up next, let's go ahead and get some of these wheels glued on. So now you can see that. Try to get the axle in the center of the wheel there. Try to get that in the center there, like you're seeing there. Test that like that. Alright, so there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the other side because you saw how that was done. Alright, so there is the vehicle with the turret in there. Great. So let's get back to gluing this model together. I got a new bottle of glue, so gotta twist it down. Now we have glue again. Alright, put glue like that, and then put this bumper on. Like that. Okay, let's see if that stays there. The next thing, let's put a little glue there and some glue there. We're going to put these pieces here. This one like that. That one like that. Good. Next, let's put some glue on this piece here. Like that. And let's put this piece like that. There you go. And next, put a little glue like that. And I got these tweezers here. This will help us with this. Put that piece like that. And now the other side. There you go. Just like that. Great. Next, put some glue like that. Oops. Alright. Then, let's put that spare tire on like that. Now, you can look at historical pictures to make sure this is correct. Perhaps it actually goes down further. The way I glued it is probably actually just fine, but make sure to look at pictures. But there you go. This one's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.